Called you again, but I think that you missed it. I'm starting to feel like you saw but ignored it. But I wouldn't mind if you picked up sometime. I guess you could say my self-worth has depleted. Open my eyes when you said you were leaving. Know that I'll just keep on giving and giving. And I wouldn't mind if you take more of my time. Guess it's alright if you sleep well at night. I've never been so lonely, don't know what it is. I'm picking up your pieces while I'm breaking them. And you're a full-time job with no benefits. I'm only 26, but I feel too big in the thick of it. So I guess I'll try you again. Now I'm really sick of the way I'm behaving. Think of the months and the days I've been wasting. You know that I already feel such a burden. You take off your load and put it on my shoulders. I'm worried the side of you so that I'll get to if I'm